guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new mattress from Brooklyn Bedding, the Brooklyn Signature Hybrid Mattress. So you may have seen the relatively recent trend of the bed in a box. Popular brands like Casper and Nectar are known for this, among several other brands. All of Brooklyn Bedding's mattresses fall into this trend, so you essentially buy your mattress online, it'll ship in this really heavy box with this vacuum sealed plastic wrapped all around it. Depending which company you order from, the shipping in most cases is free and there's usually a warranty and a return window. For this mattress, the return window is 90 days to exchange or return, and it has a 10-year warranty. So if you don't like the firmness, or you want to try a different mattress, or you simply just don't like it, you have 90 days to try it out and then return or exchange it. The setup is really easy. You just take it out the box and either cut or tear the plastic from around the mattress and then let it expand for about 24 to 48 hours. Unboxing this mattress was actually pretty difficult to do by myself, not gonna lie, but that's mainly because of how heavy it was. I definitely underestimated how heavy and certainly how difficult it was gonna be. I saw the box when it came and I just thought since it was in a box that wasn't that big, it shouldn't be that heavy. Could not have been more wrong. And even though it came all wrapped up and tight, it was just as heavy as any other mattress. Obviously, watching this video, it can be done, but I definitely don't recommend doing this by yourself. This process from start to finish took about 25 to 30 minutes, but it definitely could have been more like 10 to 15 minutes if I had another body to help. Just because, again, the process isn't hard, but the mattress is kind of difficult to maneuver when it's just one person, unless you have a decent amount of upper body strength, and then in that case, you can completely disregard everything I just said. I did a lot of research. This was the first time that I purchased my own mattress, so I did a lot of reading, watching videos, going to mattress stores to learn about mattresses and try to find out what kind of mattress I wanted. I'm a combination sleeper, but I sleep mostly on my side, so I was looking for a mattress on the softer side, but not anything super plush, because unless you weigh 130 pounds or lighter, you're going to struggle getting out of bed that's too plush. The mattress I had prior was firm, and I hated it. Mind you, I didn't pick it out, but knowing how much I hated that mattress, I was pretty confident that I didn't want a firm mattress. I was also looking for a mattress that was going to be more modern, with things like certain foam types or pocketed coils, and since I planned to spend a couple of $100s on it and keep it for the next 7 to 12 years, I didn't want to get anything that in 2 years I wasn't going to want anymore. I had gone to the store, tried some memory foam mattresses, hybrids, coils, plush, firm, pillow tops, Euro tops, etc. And then of course there was the budget. A lot of really nice mattresses like some of the Sertas or mattresses with cooling technology or even the Purple mattress were just out of the budget. So finally, after 1 or 2 months of reading and watching and going to different mattress stores and trying to find a mattress type, I landed on the Brooklyn Signature Hybrid Mattress. I got mine in a medium because I had read that the medium was already pretty soft and that the actual soft or plush option might actually be a little bit of overkill. I did end up putting a mattress protector on my mattress, which you can see in the video. I know some people use mattress protectors made out of fabric and some that are washable to protect the mattress from stains or tears and things like that. I'm using a plastic protector which protects against all those things, but also stuff like mites and bed bugs, which is important, especially if you live in an apartment environment where you might have to worry about your neighbors bringing stuff like that in the building. Now, using this type of protector will change the feeling of the mattress slightly, but I was not going to spend hundreds of dollars on a mattress for it to be ruined by bed bugs. No ma'am. I've had my Brooklyn Bedding mattress now for some time and I really like it. It's comfortable. I'm glad I got the medium because even a firm mattress will soften over time. I think if I had gotten the softer option, I'd be stuck and struggling to get off the bed every time I got up. Overall, I had a pleasant experience with the company, the ordering process, the shipping time, the setup, and the use of the mattress after a few months of having it. And if you're a combination sleeper or a primary side sleeper, I'd definitely recommend this mattress. And there you go guys, that is my unboxing of the Brooklyn Bedding Brooklyn Signature Hybrid Mattress. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below in the comments. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video or if this video was at all helpful to you if you're trying to buy a mattress or look for a mattress. I know there's a lot of sales and things going on as we get closer towards the end of the year. So again, if this video was at all helpful, feel free to give it a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!